Hi everyone, welcome to episode 3 of the Bonsai Beauties Bonsai Grow Kit. We last visited this kit as the seeds came out of stratification. We did get this one pine that grew, but about 4 or 5 days ago it killed over and died off, so that was a bit of a disappointment. The rest of the seeds are yet to do anything, so these will be banished off to the greenhouse to await any further or any growth or any germination. Regular watering, regular checking up on, and we'll see how they progress, if they do progress. So we'll put them to one side, and then as before, in the little propagator that comes within this kit, we've got the pine that sprouted up. It doesn't look like we're going to get anything from the rest of the propagator, of the seeds that are in there. So what we'll do is we will fish out the pine, get it into a little plastic pot that I've got here. We'll fill that with some soil. Just get some soil into the bottom of that ain't going to fall straight through. And put that into the tent upstairs and just hope that it continues to grow. So we'll just release the soil a bit and see if we can get, wow, look at all that root. That is a lot of root. We would have probably been better off leaving that in there. We'll banish that off to the greenhouse also, just to see if we get any additional growth out of that. But we will just add some soil into this. We'll not agitate the roots too much, disturb them too much. Leave them in that soil that came out with it. And then with the algae in mind that we've been experiencing, we'll just put a layer of the potting grit across the top. We'll get a little label onto that, just so we can remember where this one actually came from. It doesn't look like the labels are in the box for some reason, so we'll just write on the pot, and this is the Bonsai Beauties, and this is March 10, 2020, and they were originally put in around September 19. So we've got a little description there of where we were at. We'll give that a nice water through. That's soaking up the water nicely, running straight out the bottom, so that's good. Allow that to run through, and I'll give it another little squirt. It's nice and free draining, all the soil that's in there and the gravel on top, so apart from the soil that's there that's going to hold some of the moisture more than the rest, that's actually not too bad. So yeah, after all of that, with this kit we do just have the pine, which is a Pinus halepensis, which it's had its first leaves at the bottom, which that one was at that stage of, and then the truer leaves are coming up and through. We do have some other pines doing really well in the grow tent, so I'm going to put this with the others, and I'll really try and nurture this one, being the fact that it's the only thing that we've got out of this kit. And like I was saying the other day, if we can at least get one, then at least we've had some success. So fingers crossed that it continues to grow, and we will see what we get from anything else that's going to go into the greenhouse. If we get something, great. If we don't, we've got more than enough to play about with anyway. So that's it for the Bonsai Beauties, just the one little fella standing strong. My name's Scott Winard, this is Let's Do Bonsai, and we'll see you on the next one.